If you drive a Volkswagen and you've been trusting the dealership with every oil change, inspection, and warning light, you need to stay with me for this entire video, because what I'm about to lay out could literally save you thousands of dollars this year. The service department tactics hitting VW owners in 2026 are more aggressive, more polished, and more profitable than ever. And the worst part, most people never realize they've been played. Over the last 3 months, I've gone through hundreds of real owner reports, invoices, and first-hand experiences from Volkswagen drivers across the country. What started as a few complaints quickly revealed a pattern. These aren't harmless upsells. They aren't minor misunderstandings. They are carefully structured profit strategies designed to squeeze as much money as possible out of loyal customers. Today, I'm walking you through every one of them, showing you exactly how they work, why they're so convincing, and how you can shut them down before they drain your wallet. By the time we're done, you'll never walk into a VW service lane the same way again, and that's exactly the point. Knowledge changes everything. Let's start with the first and most widespread issue right now, the carbon cleaning con. If you own a modern Volkswagen with direct injection, and that's most of them, this is the one they're pushing hardest in 2026. Here's how the conversation usually goes. You come in for something simple, an oil change, maybe a routine inspection. You're sitting in the waiting area, scrolling your phone, when the service advisor approaches with that slightly concerned expression. They lower their voice just enough to make it feel serious. "We noticed significant carbon buildup on your intake valves. If this isn't addressed soon, you could see performance loss, emissions issues, maybe even engine damage." Suddenly, a basic visit turns into a $600 recommendation, sometimes $800, and they make it sound urgent, like you're one drive away from catastrophe. Now here's the reality. Yes, direct injection engines can develop carbon buildup over time. That part is true. But it doesn't happen overnight. It's gradual. It takes tens of thousands of miles. Unless your vehicle has very high mileage, well over 100,000, or you're experiencing actual symptoms like rough idle, consistent misfires, or noticeable power loss, you probably don't need this service yet. The key detail they rely on? You can't see carbon buildup without disassembling parts of the engine. So when they claim they noticed it during inspection, ask yourself how. Most of the time, they haven't actually verified anything. They're following a mileage-based script. If your car hits a certain range, the recommendation pops up automatically. If carbon cleaning is suggested, ask for proof. Ask what specific drivability issue your vehicle is showing. Ask how they confirmed buildup without removing the intake. Then take a breath and get a second opinion from an independent Volkswagen specialist. More often than not, you'll either hear there's no immediate issue, or you'll get quoted half the price. Now let's talk about scam number 2, the transmission flush trap. This one isn't just expensive, it can actually create problems. In 2026, more VW dealerships are recommending transmission flushes at increasingly short intervals. You'll hear things like, "Your transmission fluid breaks down at 30,000 miles," or "If we don't flush it now, it could void your warranty." It sounds technical, responsible, necessary, but here's what they leave out. Many modern Volkswagen transmissions, especially certain automatic units, either require service at much longer intervals or are designed with fluid meant to last significantly longer under normal driving conditions. Your owner's manual outlines this clearly. And here's the bigger issue. A flush is different from a drain and fill. A flush forces fluid through the system under pressure. That pressure can stir up settled debris inside the transmission pan and send it circulating through sensitive components like the valve body. In some cases, vehicles that shifted perfectly fine before a flush develop shifting issues afterward. The correct procedure for many VW transmissions is a standard drain and fill at manufacturer-recommended intervals, not an aggressive flush performed early. If they recommend transmission service sooner than expected, open your owner's manual right there at the counter. Ask them to show you exactly where Volkswagen calls for that interval. The silence that follows often tells you everything. Moving on to scam number 3, the DSG service upsell. Now, this one is tricky because DSG transmissions do require maintenance. Typically, every 40,000 miles, Volkswagen calls for a fluid and filter change. That's legitimate, and when performed properly, it usually costs between $300 and $500. But here's where things escalate in 2026. Dealerships have started stacking extras onto this service. Suddenly, you're being told you need clutch adaptations to improve shift quality. That's another couple $100. Then they suggest software updates billed separately. Then they mention that your mechatronic unit shows early signs of potential issues and should be replaced preemptively, sometimes costing thousands. The core DSG service is fluid and filter replacement. That's it. Clutch adaptations are processes the transmission performs naturally during normal driving. Forcing them through diagnostics rarely provides meaningful benefit, unless there's an actual drivability complaint. Software updates tied to official technical service bulletins are often covered or included, not charged as premium add-ons. And replacing a mechatronic unit without symptoms is like replacing an engine because it might fail someday. When you receive a DSG quote, request an itemized breakdown. Compare it directly to Volkswagen's official maintenance schedule. Strip away anything not explicitly required. The basic service keeps your transmission healthy. The rest is often just profit padding. Now, scam number 4, the brake fluid exchange racket. Brake fluid service is real. Over time, brake fluid absorbs moisture. Volkswagen typically recommends changing it every 2 to 3 years regardless of mileage. Fair enough, but here's how dealerships have turned this into a fear-based sales tool. They'll use a moisture tester and announce that your brake fluid contains 3% moisture. Then they'll act as if you're on the brink of brake failure. Prices suddenly jump to $300 or more, justified by a special VW-approved procedures. Brake fluid can safely handle moisture up to a certain percentage before performance is affected. And testing tools aren't always perfectly precise. Also, brake fluid meeting the proper DOT specification is brake fluid. The process itself is straightforward. This service should generally fall between $80 and $150. If you're quoted significantly more, ask what specifically justifies the difference. Get a second quote. You'll often find the exact same job offered for half the price. Now we get into something almost laughably simple. Scam number 5, the engine air filter markup. You go in for a routine service, they pull your filter. It looks dusty because it's designed to catch dust. They show it to you like it's evidence of neglect. Replacement recommended immediately, $60. Here's the truth. Most engine air filters last around 30,000 miles under normal conditions. A slightly dirty filter is functioning properly. Unless it's clogged with debris or physically deteriorating, it's fine. That $60 filter, it usually costs $15 to $20 at any parts store, and replacing it often takes less than 2 minutes, no tools required. This is one of the highest margin upsells in the building. Learn where your filter is, check it yourself, replace it when the schedule says, not when someone waves it dramatically in front of you. Scam number 7 is pure theater, the nitrogen tire fill scheme. For $80 or more, they'll replace regular air with nitrogen and install green valve caps to signal premium treatment. The pitch sounds scientific. Nitrogen reduces moisture, stabilizes pressure, extends tire life. But the air you breathe is already about 78% nitrogen. For everyday driving, the difference is negligible. Race teams use nitrogen under extreme conditions. Your daily commute doesn't qualify. Proper tire pressure maintenance matters. The gas composition in normal use doesn't. Save your money. So how do you protect yourself from all of this? Start with your owner's manual. It is your strongest defense. It outlines official maintenance intervals clearly. When a recommendation doesn't match, question it. Second, never authorize expensive services on the spot. Say you need time to think. Go home, research, compare. Third, build a relationship with a reputable Volkswagen specialist. They often provide more transparent pricing and fewer upsells. Fourth, learn basic maintenance tasks, filters, tire pressure, visual inspections. The more you understand, the harder you are to manipulate. And finally, ask questions confidently. Ask for proof. Ask for documentation. Ask for manufacturer references. Honest advisors will answer clearly. Dishonest ones will deflect. The bottom line is this. The Volkswagen Service Center tactics of 2026 are more refined than ever. The carbon cleaning scare relies on invisible fear. The transmission flush trap risks real harm. The DSG upsell stacks unnecessary extras. The brake fluid racket inflates urgency and price. The air and cabin filter markups prey on simplicity. The nitrogen tire pitch sells near zero benefit. And the diagnostic double dip quietly charges you twice. Every single one of these can be avoided if you slow down, verify information, and refuse to be pressured. Your Volkswagen deserves proper care, but proper care does not mean blind trust. It means informed decisions. It means understanding what's required, what's optional, and what's pure profit strategy. Walk into your next service appointment prepared. Ask questions. Open your manual. Take your time. Because the moment you understand how the game works is the moment it stops working on you.